gonna be playing this game called Slide Down a Hill. So let's start. I think this video has really good editing. Cause I just got 2 terabytes of iCloud storage. Yay! So that's why this video probably has super good editing. Anyways guys, let's start. Anyways, I don't want to get a copyright strike, so we're gonna turn this music off. Oh there, alright, now we won't get copyrighted. I do not. Okay, wait. Let me do my wheel. So I've played this game before. We're gonna be playing it again. Bro, give me Grimace or a bunch of money. 2 more wheel spins. That's nice, nice. Bro, give me another 2 wheel spins and I'll be happy. Oh, that's crap. All right, we could get Grimace or we could get that stuff, or 5 times money, or it's infinite money. I don't know. Dang, that sucks. Anyways, let's start. Wait, did I get something new? No. All right, we're gonna be going. I want to do the train. Let's go. Also, guys, I have the YouTube short of me playing this for, well, still not the first time. I never recorded me playing this the first time. All right, let's get in. Sure, I'll go. All right, let's go. Also, I'm not spending Robux because I'm not a giant YouTuber full of money. All right, I only have like 28 Robux right now, okay? I still have the professional editing, I swear. I have that, like, I don't know. But, bro, look at our literal train. Bro, what is happening? Ah! Oh, my God. Bro, this isn't fair. Oh, ow. Please? All right, we're good. Oh, no, we're not good. Ah! Ow, how did I not die from that? Like, when I take all damage, like, in real life, I get it. Oh yeah, normally going down this crazy new water slide. Look at the new water slide in town, boys. Yay, another win. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bro, kill my... Okay, there. Bro, he has the Grimace ride. Bro, why do I sound like I'm dying? This slide is changing in 1 minute. That sucks. It deletes all of the slides and respawns them. We're still gonna go on, even though it's gonna disappear soon. Bro, stop getting on. Okay, fine, guys. You can get on my yacht. Get on. Get faster. Bacon. I'm already driving it. All right, let's go. No, the Doji. Okay, good. You're sick. No, why did you get off the That's what you did. Bro, look at what he did to himself. He should have just been grateful after that. Yeah, oh my... That sucks. Dang. Alright. Nice. Oh no, that sucks. Alright, so slide resets in 9 seconds, so I'm gonna just wait here. We're gonna spawn. Let's go, I unlocked this. Let's go. Guys, don't take my dang sheet. I got this. Yo, why am I suffocating? Woo! Okay, guys, it's been a bit. Now we actually we're able to spawn it somewhere good. I'm gonna let the Doji cat. Oh, it's a cat. Yo, what up? I got that avatar. I got the Xbox cat. I don't know why. Also, I do not like consoles. No. Anyways, we're going. Good night. Jump. What? Let's go down. Ready, set, wait. Claim, go. $10 from ruining a dump truck. I think I would have lost money instead, right? I wonder I lost money if I destroyed a giant dump truck. Okay, whatever. It's Roblox, not real life, okay? Also, I might play Restaurant Tycoon. I've done my restaurant, but that was a really crappy old video where I did not edit it, so yeah. So you might see my restaurant. I like mine. No, I actually don't, but just like I do, but no, I don't. Alright. Yeah, let's go. getting hit by every single object in the whole world. Nuke? No, I didn't mean to click on that, and if I had enough Robux, I still would not nuke everything. Barely anyone buys that unless you're a rich person. But, yeah. Okay, I have $5,000. I bet I'm gonna get another 1,000. Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait. And yep, we got 1,000. Alright, $7,000. Let's try a plane. Let's do a plane. We'll do the yacht again, maybe. Alright, we have 7 minutes, so we're good. See, it says slide resets in 7 minutes. Woo! Go! Alright. Bro, why can't you get in the plane? Okay, yeah, he's in the plane. Anyways, we're gonna go. Alright, Bacon, don't think you are gonna get it. Yeah. I wish Bacon got in. Whoa. Oh my god. Yo, this is insane. Alright. Keep going. Alright, we're good. Yeah, he's definitely still there, but why are you grappling hooking into the air? Like, what? Anyways, I'm jumping out. Go! No, this can't be. But if I die because of this... wait. Keep going. Yeah? Wait. I hope that cat... dog. Nah, I think it's a cat. Is able to survive. I could get a cottage and a cart. I'm gonna get the cart. I know what the cart looks like. Should I get the submarine? I'll make another video of this if I get the submarine. That will be epic. Wait, we have 9,000. We could save up for a battleship. I'm gonna get a battleship maybe, but no, we're gonna get the cart. How big is the... oh, the cart's pretty big. Nice. Alright, we're starting. Woo! Alright. This will probably be the last ride for today's video. Yep. But let's see where this goes. Wait. 3, 2, 1. Go! Alright. Everything's getting destroyed, though. Keep going, though. Yo, this part seems invincible. Or maybe not. I just got destroyed. Oh, no. There should have been a cheaper cart that was smaller, like a normal cart. Yo, did you see that? Money I just got from the airtime? That was kind of insane. Anyways, I'm dead. Yeah. It kind of took long for me to die. Anyways. Thanks for watching.